Okay, Nick Barber here in New York at the BlackBerry 10 launch. We're with the Z10 smartphone. It's one of the new touchscreen phones here from BlackBerry. They also announced one with a QWERTY keyboard. This is a full touchscreen. One of the things you notice when you open up into the phone, you have 4 different icons here. Those are things that are running right now, so we can get in and out of that. One of the things that's really one of the biggest things that I'm at least missing or getting comfortable with here with the Z10 is the lack of a home button. There's no button sort of down here at the bottom of the screen that's going to take me home or access different applications, things like that. What you need to do instead is swipe up from the BlackBerry logo, and now you can pull over to the right-hand side and do what's called a peek into your BlackBerry hub, which gives you all of your messages, tweets, Facebook messages, status updates, things like that, all in one screen rather than going in and out of all the different apps. And if I go ahead and swipe back up, that's my function to get me back into the home screen. If I swipe over, you can see there's a very fluid movement in and out of the app, in and out of the different app screens. Let me go ahead and open up an app and see how some of the performance is here. Facebook opens up just as it does on Android and iOS devices, and scrolling through the interface is fluid. Now remember, we're here on Wi-Fi, and there's a lot of wireless congestion here, so some of the apps may not load as fast as they would, say, if you were on 4G or one of your home Wi-Fi networks. I'll go ahead and swipe back up and go back into my home screen and swipe over. Let's open up maybe another app. Let's open up YouTube and see how some of the videos play.
How does it work? Okay, so it doesn't matter what application it is.
And as you can see here, the video is playing full screen in HD. It's a 4.2-inch screen with a resolution of 1280 by 768 and 356 pixels per inch. And one of the neat features that they showed during the press conference was the new BlackBerry Messenger, which allows not only to text back and forth, but voice and video and screen sharing. So let's see if we can go ahead and open up BlackBerry Messenger and maybe make a phone call here. Let's go into our contacts. And let's try Diane. And we'll click on the video icon and go BBM video and see who answers. It's going to be someone here in the New York press conference area. Let's see who's there. And there they are on video chat, so we can see them. Can you give us a wave? And now if I wanted to, one of the things I could do is start screen sharing with them by clicking on this icon here. And now whoever I'm talking to can see the same exact screen as I have. And you'll notice as I swipe through my screen, it does the same thing on there. So one of the things that I can do is go ahead and pull up my pictures and swipe through those and maybe show them a picture or two. One of the things we definitely wanted to try was the virtual keyboard on the Z10. Now, of course, the Q10 has a physical keyboard that so many BlackBerry users are familiar with, but the virtual keyboard is something new for this Z10. So let's go ahead and open up an app and try to compose a message and see how it goes. And
instantly capture the moment.
now you'll notice a couple of things. As I type, words will pop up above the keys. And let's say I want to type the word story, S-T-O-R-Y. Now it popped up above the Y, I could just swipe up. Story of the day. And it auto-corrected for me as well.